How to clear cache on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Dropbox in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to Dropbox. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines and go down, click on the settings option down here. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is just scroll down like this until you find clear cache option. Click on it and now cache is cleared successfully. It's so easy, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.